Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX setups for today. So the Meta results or Facebook results is what triggered this move to the downside. I think from the DAX perspective, have a close look at the moving averages, and we're back in this zone that we were looking at yesterday. We're really looking for price to come back into a zone for support. I'm just going to add one more level in at the bottom of this zone, and you can see how that lines up with quite a bit of structure as well. So 17,917 and 18,036 and probably 1800 are the areas I'd be paying attention to. Now remember, strong move up. We had what's this, 3 weeks of downward pressure, and then we had a strong break this week of this channel. Now when we drill down, you can see a fairly decent crossover the moving averages. Look at my oscillators, they have separated. So as I said yesterday, not looking to be long up here, looking for a pullback. The pullback is here, so I think from my view on the DAX, this is starting to look very interesting for an opportunity to the upside. And obviously we're going to find it on the lower time frames. So yesterday was a down day, no debate about that. Straight into a potential zone of support. We do have a crossover the moving averages now as well. So yeah, we could continue to find the next level, and just look at this. We haven't tagged 18,036, so I would expect us to tag that. This crossover the moving averages is a bit of a concern. Didn't really want that to happen. If you look at our oscillators here, we do have diversions, that's bullish diversions there, but you're going to need to break above the current high of this morning before longs come into play. So on the 15-minute, you'll see that's the current high. And if you look left, you'll see there was a fairly decent amount of action at this area, and that is at 18,133. So yeah, well, almost another 50-50 call. We could continue this move to the downside today, but if we get it back above, so what we're looking for is a break above 18,133, break above, come back to find support here, start turning. That's your trigger for a long, and I would be targeting 18,222. So that would be my move to the upside. For this to continue to the downside, we're going to have to break through this little zone here. So 18,036, so the low of yesterday is what needs to give way, and then you'll be looking at 17,917 to the downside. So again, break, come back, reject, start turning. That's when you want to do it. So you're looking for the break and retest of this little range that we're in, and those are your upper and bottom levels there. So 18,222 to the upside and 17,917 to the downside. And that's kind of the simplicity of my setups today. And so I'm just going to put another spin on this, because 17,934 is probably a better target area. Yeah, so not really much on offer, but that's kind of the setup I've got at the moment. This could be a flag, it could be a pullback in a bull trend, come back and test the 150 EMA here on the hour, but as I say, for that to be true, we'd need to get through 18,133, otherwise we are extending this flag to the downside, and your zone is down here at 17,934. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.